Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coffee makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Ratio 4 coffee machine. The Ratio 4 coffee maker, 8/10, Wired recommends, does one of two things. It will make one delicious mug of drip coffee, or it will make 2 delicious mugs of drip coffee. With nary a knob twiddle or app or even a second button, this svelte, modern minimalist coffee maker with a preternaturally handsome borosilicate glass carafe makes unusually full-bodied drip that unlocks coffee's natural sweetness as well as, or better than, any coffee maker on this list. This 4-cup machine is hardly multifaceted, but the 4's simplicity is its own reward. No device I know makes single mug drip coffee this good, with such ease and speed. Just press the device's sole button for an excellent 2-mug brew, or hold the button down for 3 seconds to optimize the device's bloom cycle for 1-mug brew. That's it. That's the end of the instructions. Note that there's no warmer nor thermal carafe, and the coffee comes out at drinking temperature. You'll need to drink your delicious coffee right away. Moving on, at number 4, we have the XBloom Studio, the ultimate coffee machine. The XBloom Studio 7/10 Wired recommends is the rare coffee machine that keeps getting better months after its release. The XBloom is essentially an automated version of a Priestley single mug coffee pour-over, customizable in every detail. Using a coffee pod from craft roasters like Heart or Passenger remains as easy as pouring in the fresh coffee beans and swiping an RFID card. But initially, learning how to brew with your own beans incurred a steep learning curve on the XBloom, requiring a phone app and some somewhat complicated recipes. What a difference a firmware update makes. The device's makers have created a new Easy mode that allows you to choose from a trio of preset coffee brewing recipes for light, medium, and dark roasts. No app required, unless you want to change the presets, and even then, you can just download other users' shared recipes and set them to one of the 3 buttons. At number 3, we have the Technivorm Moccamaster 53942 KBGV 10-cup coffee maker. Handmade in the Netherlands since 1968, the Technivorm Moccamaster has sat happily on our Buy It for Life guide for a seeming lifetime. Each of its variants is built like a tank, with steel and copper. The warranty goes 5 years, and it's fully repairable thereafter, with service centers in the United States that'll spiff it up for less than $100. Long before the new wave of precision and fancy drip coffee, the Moccamaster has been a classic exemplar of brewing precision, holding brewing temperatures within a variance of 4 degrees Celsius and extracting coffee within extremely tight parameters. Until recently, about half the SCA certified coffee makers in the world were just different models of Technivorm Moccamaster. Now, it's more like a third. The KBGV's main distinction is it optimizes itself for multiple batch sizes. The KBT, another popular model, offers a distinctive thermal carafe. We haven't yet tested it, but by all accounts, the Cup 1 offers single-cup brewing to shame Keurig. At number 2, we have the Oxo Brew 12-cup coffee maker. The Oxo 12-cup 8/10 Wired recommends is a hulking stainless steel machine that looks like almost any other big coffee maker. But don't be fooled. As a big batch machine, it's a bit of a unicorn, designed to adapt its heat and time settings for small, 2 to 4 cup, medium, or large batches. It is an all-things-to-all people coffee maker with a pour-over style bloom cycle and shower head, and an International Specialty Coffee Association certification attesting to its precision in delivering well-extracted coffee. which is to say it wakes up each morning, on a timer no less, and brews excellence. Wired contributing reviewer Joe Ray prized in particular the machine's water tank, which operates as a kettle, heating the water precisely before brewing rather than heating up during the brew, a quality quite rare among homebrewers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ratio 6 coffee maker. There are lots of reasons to like the Ratio 6. Its teardrop top and trapezoidal double stack of brewer and carafe make the device look like it's been shoplifted from a mid-century design museum. Like its cousin, the Ratio 4, the 6 achieves implausibly full-flavored, full-bodied extraction without any particular effort on your part, just the press of a single button. Machine after machine, Ratio makes coffee brewers for lazy people with good taste. But while I prefer the 4 for single servings, the 6 is better for batches. The 8-cup brewer's thermal carafe, updated late last year, is now one of the best around, keeping coffee at optimal drinking temperature for literal hours. Just note that even with an updated design, pouring can get a little drippy when the carafe is almost empty, and there's something fiddly about the way the filter basket has to be stacked atop the carafe while brewing. But it's a beautiful machine, and the coffee's even better. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.